Can you imagine boosting your testosterone levels by up to 434%? How amazing would you feel? The difference would be night and day. Well, guess what? This might sound like science fiction, but a clinical study showed how volunteers taking a special extract in Testosterone saw an astonishing 434% greater increase in testosterone in just 8 weeks when combined with exercise versus just exercise alone. And the results get even better. You see, during this groundbreaking study of men who exercised, researchers also reported the men taking a special extract in testosterone enjoyed greater muscular and strength. These lucky volunteers also saw a significant reduction in exercise-induced muscle damage and a dramatic decrease in body fat percentage, backed by scientific proof. It's easy to see why testosterone works. That's because each ingredient is backed by astonishing results published in prestigious medical and scientific journals from around the world. Journal of the International Society of Sports, Nutrition, Biomed, Research International, Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, Journal of Dietary Supplements. The crazy effective testosterone-boosting ingredients that you get with every dose of Testosterone have been making headlines for decades. For example, you may have seen Testosterone and our ingredients in these popular media outlets, such as Fox News, Nutra, Ingredients, Natural Products Insider, LA Weekly. Here's just a handful of clinically proven benefits of our ingredients, 1 of the 11. Testosterone-boosting ingredients you get with Testosterone was studied in no fewer than 24 double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled clinical studies. This is the gold standard for medical research, and the results are shocking. Skyrockets testosterone levels by up to 434%, naturally with exercise, water boosts, oxygen utilization during exercise by elevating VO2 max by 5.67% in just 12 weeks. Brain reduces cortisol, the strength-depleting stress hormone, by a staggering 27.9% in just 8 weeks. Body reduces body weight by 3% in just 8 weeks. How Testosterone compares to other leading testosterone supplements. Doctor-recommended, clinically validated, ingredients and dosage, vitamin D3, vitamin B6, lifetime guarantee, free shipping option, live customer support, patented ingredients. Order your Testosterone today